Understanding the phrase, a dash of salt, an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in the English language, a dash of salt. This phrase is often used in cooking and recipes, but what does it really mean? Let's find out together. A dash of salt is a phrase used to describe a very small amount of salt, usually added to a dish to enhance its flavor. It's important to note that a dash is not a precise measurement like a teaspoon or a cup. Instead, it's a casual way of suggesting a quick, small sprinkle of salt. The term dash in cooking can be traced back to older cookbooks and recipes. Originally, it referred to a quick movement, like dashing a bit of salt into a pot. Over time, it has come to represent a small, unspecified amount that's added according to taste, rather than exact measurement. When a recipe calls for a dash of salt, it usually means to add salt lightly and to taste. The key is moderation. You can always add more, but it's difficult to remove salt once it's in the dish. Think of it as a subtle enhancement, not a dominant flavor. Beyond cooking, a dash of salt can also be used metaphorically. It can mean adding a little bit of something extra to enhance an experience, much like how a dash of salt enhances the flavor of a dish. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of a dash of salt. Remember, language, much like cooking, can be full of interesting phrases and expressions. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in the next video.